class 9th, chapter 9. We have some important formula. Whatever we taught in previous videos, we have acceleration equals to v minus u upon t. Now we have velocity of circular motion is equals to 2 pi r upon t. Now we have v is equals to u plus at, s equals to ut plus half at square. Then we have v square minus u square equals to 2as. Then we have force equals to mass into acceleration. Okay, so these are the important formula which are used in or which are used to solving numericals. Okay, let us see a question which is first numerical of this chapter. Question is a constant force acts on an object of mass 5 kg for a duration of 2 seconds. Okay, it increases the object's velocity from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. Find the magnitude of force. Find force. First of all, we need to find out force. Okay, so tell me one thing. In this question, we have as a given part is two velocity. Okay, increases from 3 meter per second to 7 meter per second. It means that this is initial velocity and this is final velocity. An object having mass 5 kg. Time taken by object is 2 seconds. Okay, so we have these given part. Given mass equals to 5 kg, u equals to 3 meter per second, v equals to 7 meter per second, time is equals to 2 seconds. Okay, now we need to find out the value of force. We know that force is equals to mass into acceleration. So in the given part we have mass but not acceleration. So first of all we need to find out acceleration. We know that acceleration is equals to v minus u upon t, which is equals to 7 meter per second minus 3 meter per second upon time 2 second, which is equals to 4 upon 2, which is equals to 2 meter per second square. Meter per second square is the SI unit of acceleration. Hence, acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Now we have mass 5 kg and acceleration 2 meter per second square. So hence we are able to find the value of force, which is mass 5 kg into 2 meter per second square, which is equals to 10 Newton. So Newton is the SI unit of force, which is equals to kg into meter per second square. So by this way we solve this numerical. Okay, if I add some more topic in this chapter, in this question, some more extension of this question, like if the force was applied, for a duration of 5 second. The new term is, if the force was applied for a duration of 5 second, what will be the final velocity? What will be the final velocity of an object? Now the question is twisted into force. We have the concept is the force is applied for a duration of 5 second. The force is applied for the duration of 5 second. Okay, 5 second as a given part. Okay, so what is the final velocity? We need to find out the final velocity v. Okay, so what is the value of v? Let us see how we can able to find out. We know that v is equals to u plus at. We know that v is equals to u plus at. We have time is 5 second. Now force. We know that force is equals to mass into acceleration, and acceleration is equals to force upon mass. So just we put the value of acceleration in term of force and mass, which is force upon mass plus u is equals to v. Okay, so we have v is equals to u plus force into time upon mass. Okay, so just find out by putting the value of u is equals to 3 meter per second. Force is 10 Newton into 5 upon mass is 5 cancel. So final velocity is equals to 10 plus 3, 13 meter per second. Answer.